हेलो स्टूडेंट, आज का टॉपिक है आई। तो आज हम आई के बारे में पढ़ेंगे। तो आई जो है एक सेंसरी ऑर्गन है और ये किस तरह काम करता है ये हम देखेंगे। तो सबसे पहले हम इंट्रोडक्शन की बात करेंगे। तो आई इज ए स्पेशलाइज्ड सेंस ऑर्गन दैट हेल्प अस टू अंडरस्टैंड आवर इन्वायरमेंट. It is a sensory unit composed of three parts: receptor, sensory pathway, and a brain center. It is spherical in shape. It is about 2.5 centimeter in diameter and situated in the orbital cavity. तो यहाँ हम देखते हैं कि आई का डायग्राम है जहाँ उसके सारे लेयर्स और उसके जितने पार्ट्स है सारी चीजें यहाँ पे दिखाई दी गई है। अब बात करते हैं एक्सटर्नल एनाटॉमी ऑफ द आई। तो एक्सटर्नल एनाटॉमी ऑफ द आई जिस तरह इस स्लाइड में दिखाया गया है: आईब्रो, आईलैश, पिपल्स, आइरिस, अपर आईलिड, लैक्राइमल कर्ल्स, लोअर आईलिड्स, lateral commissures, and medial commissures are present. Next is the accessory organ and eye protection. Number 1, orbital cavity, bony socket in this house and protect the eye. Adipose tissue which are cushion the eye. Lacrimal gland which produce tear that lubricate and have a germicidal effect. Eyebrow protect against foreign particles, perspiration and direct ray of light. Eyelid which fold of skin that cover the surface of eye, enclosed by reflection when an object approach. Eyelashes which secrete oil that prevent lid from sticking together. Next is the muscles of eye. There are two types of muscle. Number 1 is intrinsic muscle, number 2 is intrinsic. In the extrinsic muscles located outside of the eye that contain certain eye movement such as moving the eyeball from side to side or rolling the eye. Next is the intrinsic muscles. That muscles locate inside the eye that help hold the lens in place and modify its shape. अब हम बात करेंगे लेयर. There are 3 layers of eye. Number 1 is sclera, which are wide outer layer of eyeball, tough fibrous membrane that help to maintain the spherical shape of the eyeball. It has many parts. Number 1 is cornea, part of sclerotic cord, transparent, front part of eyeball through which light wave pass, no blood vessels but lot of nerve ending. Next is canal of scalum, venous passages that drain the fluid that accumulate behind the cornea, locate where the sclera and cornea meet. Next is conjunctiva, which are thin, transparent mucous membrane that cover the eyeball. Next layer is the choroid layer. Middle layer of the eye supply blood vessels to eye and contain dark pigment granules that prevent the reflection of light in the eye. It has many parts. Number 1 is ciliary body. Intrinsic muscles, smooth muscles, fiber support and modify lens shape. Next is iris, which colored portion of eye formed by circulatory and readily arranged smooth muscle fibers, regulates amount of light entering the eye by constricting or dilating the. Next is pupil, which are rounded opening of the eyes through which light passes. Third layer is retina. It is innermost layer of eye, line its surface and contain photoreceptor, the cell responsible for converting light into nerve impulse, road and bone. Next is the eye part. Number 1 rods. Rods are cylindrical photoreceptors found in greatest concentration on the edges of retina. Most common type of receptor allow us to see in low light and provide for peripheral vision. Cones. Cones are conical photoreceptors found in greatest concentration near the center of the retina. There are three varieties of cones, each more sensitive to particulate wavelength of light. Blue, green, and red allow for visual acuity and color. Fovea centralized, a depression or pit in the center of retina that contain only cones, provides for the most acute vision and color sensitivity. Next is optic disc, which are called blind spot, area where optic nerve attached to the retina does not contain any photoreceptor. Next is the lens, which are flexible biconvex crystal-like structure that bring ray of light into focus and produce image on the retina. Next is suspensory ligament, which hold the lens in place, attached to ciliary body, which control the amount of tension exerted on the lens. Next is fluid in eye. Number 1 is aqueous humor, which are watery fluid that can provide nutrition and help maintain the shape of cornea found in the smaller anterior chamber of the eye. Next is a vitreous humor, which are thick gel-like substances that fill the largest chamber of eye and help to hold its spherical shape. Next is a blood supply to eye in the carotid artery to ophthalmic artery, and by ophthalmic artery pass to the ciliary artery, central retinal artery to the eye. Tapetum, a dense layer in eye that cause glow in dark appearance when light shine in. Many animals have this. Thank you.